Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the pound yen, I mean, we have not taken out this low yet, so I'm definitely still looking at this move down as likely a pullback to this move up. If you were watching my video from yesterday, I said if you are a very short time frame trader, you should continue to look for shorts, and I would still say that. But if you do see a nice Fibonacci bounce, and now that we have three waves down, if you do see a nice Fib bounce, I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again because we are definitely in an uptrend on the daily and the weekly time frame. So if we get a nice three-way pullback, a nice Fibonacci bounce, that's probably telling us that the higher time frame uptrend is back in play. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, unless we get like a nice Fibonacci bounce, I would still be recommending shorts for short time frame traders. I am not a short time frame trader, so I am waiting for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm waiting for a break of structure to the upside, and if I see that after the market makes three waves down, that would be my next long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, it could go down and give us a break of structure because, like I always say, the market is the only one that knows best. And if it does just keep on going down and break structure, then there will never be a long opportunity. And after the break of structure is when I would start looking for pullback entries to go short, which is not a problem for me. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.